Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today, we're going to be talking about the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is upon the radar because we're expecting this kind of drone around September. And there's another stuff which I saw it online and it captured my attention. It's a DJI Osmo Nano. Now Osmo Nano, it's a camera. It's like an Insta360 Go 3 kind of camera, but it's a little bit chunky. I can say chunky because DJI decided to see this kind of tech from Insta and they decided to keep it on them, which is something which is so great. But we're going to be discussing about all of them to see the overhaul throughout what's the real big thing, because we're expecting the DJI Mini 5 Pro to have a 1-inch sensor with more capability throughout there and a LiDAR and stuff like that, and more sensor throughout the camera. And throughout the DJI Mini 5 Pro, speciality throughout what it's going to be having mostly, it's all about a lot of sensors. Now not only sensors, but even the design, it will look a little bit different. It will look like DJI Mavic Air 3S, kind of close to that. I think DJI wanted to go with that kind of fluff design, which is really nice. But throughout, when we look upon this kind of drone, how it is, it's going throughout more pro level. And another kind of stuff, the weight of this drone is expected to be having a 250 grams, which is really nice. And the battery wise, it will go around 37 minutes flight time, which is going to be really great. And the controller is just the same as the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Battery wise, they're going to be sharing the same battery which they have, so it's not such a deal breaker. So I think sharing the battery is something which is so better, because you can interchange the battery. If you have DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro or 4 Pro, you can just take the battery and use it on the Mini 5 Pro, which is good on advancement of sensoring, LiDAR, and even camera quality. Now the camera quality is going to be really astonishing compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm using Mini 3 Pro, which is such an amazing kind of drone, and it has been my day-to-day basis shooting my sessions, throughout shooting a bunch of products, throughout aerial photography, aerial videography, which I've been shooting for my clients and all of that. Such an amazing stuff throughout the DJI, and you cannot resist throughout how these drones are capable. So I can say that DJI Mini 3 Pro or 4 Pro is an outdated drone. No. It's just that we're seeing a little bit something advancement on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. So these are like the speculation which is upon the radar, which we're going to be seeing on September. So September is going to be a DJI kind of releasing this kind of drone. We're going to see a teaser earlier around first dates or 5th there or 10th date there of September. Is going to be really great. Now let's jump in on the DJI Osmo Nano. Now also the Osmo Nano captured my attention because of its own self. Now I think through this kind of camera, what's so special, what makes it so special, it's all about its portability. Now if we talk about portability of the camera or the compact of the camera, it's all about how Insta has been inspiring all these kind of brands, because Insta360 came with the Insta360 Insta Go camera. They have right now the Insta Go Ultra camera. So if we keep alongside these kind of cameras, they give you a really nice feel. That's why we have seen DJI jumping on the 360 cameras, which we did not even expect DJI could do that, but here we are, DJI just did it. So throughout these kind of scenarios, we can see throughout the DJI Osmo Nano, it's going to be a really compact camera, same design as the Insta Go, but it's a little bit chunky and it's going to be magnetic. It's going to be shooting a video up to 4K 60 FPS. So throughout this kind of scenario, 60 FPS throughout shooting is so much great. Another kind of stuff, it will be staying with power juice. The juice is not yet being said, because these are all speculation and rumors and leaks a little bit. And some of the leaks are really, you see the real product, like with other people having the product using it, but you know, they hide the kind of product, so as it's not been revealed 100% on public. So the DJI Osmo Nano It's such a great thing throughout. DJI was going to be packed up with, and you can't resist throughout what DJI usually have throughout the product. What I like mostly about DJI products is just that if you have a microphone, it can be working throughout all the cameras. Compared to the Insta, you have just to buy a specific microphone, or you just have to buy an adapter so you can use. So it's a little bit a deal breaker, but I can't complain much. But for the DJI, I kind of like that move. It's a good move, and it's going to be making Insta more producing some good stuff, you see. And I think we have reached a point whereby the cameras that are more enhanced, even you're shooting on your mobile phones, they're still more perfectly well. So that's it, guys, about leakage and rumors and all of that. Let's wait for the Techtember. It's called Techtember, September, and it's going to be really great. And we're having Apple too. Apple is coming up with something on Techtember, so we're going to be seeing bunch of new products down the line. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. You're new here, consider subbing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.